All right, then. Go then, go. Go then, quick. That's what I like you to do, is vacuum in your car. There's a good boy. Get your car all nice and clean. That's it, get in there. Come on, hang on. Come on, Dave, can I help? I've just noticed, my little boy, you've got sand in here. Yeah, you've got sand in your car. And leaves. How have you got sand and leaves in your car? You've been going cross country, have you? Alright, we'll see you in your car, Charlie. Well, that was a brief video. That was a brief video of the Shark WV270UK, which is a cordless handheld vacuum cleaner. I'll be honest with you, we've quite used this quite a lot actually since we've had this, and we didn't think it was going to be as good and versatile. But it's such an easy vacuum cleaner to hold, not that heavy, that you do find that you go to pick it up a lot to do messes. I've used it to clean a computer keyboard. As you see, I've just used it to clean my son's car. I've used it for my car. We've even taken this on holiday and taken it on holiday as a portable vacuum cleaner. And it was just brilliant for picking up crumbs from inside the car, from sandwiches and stuff like that. And obviously, if you have children, my son is especially messy, aren't you, Charlie? Yeah. But children, they just seem to be able to make mess in seconds. And Charlie, you know, this thing is just absolutely brilliant. You can change the attachments on the end, yeah, and obviously the other thing that's so good as well is you can put that attachment like that. Look at that. And then you've got yourself a brush then, and that's really useful for doing keyboards and things. Obviously emptying wise is very easy. That's just a release for emptying, so you just flip that and then you can empty that in the bin. And there's a filter inside there. You can take the filter out and you can actually wash the filter. And you can buy replacement filters as well. Also, well, I'm not sure if I've mentioned in a previous video, but you can take the battery off. Yeah. So if you stick the cleaner upside down like this, give it a good pull. There's the battery. Yeah. Now you can buy replacement batteries. No, it's a battery. Yeah. You can buy replacement batteries. The other thing is what I found as well for traveling wise is when I did take it on holiday, I did take the battery off, which I think really did help, because I only had to charge it once on holiday, and that was only because my son went OTT with it and was using it until it was nearly dead. Runtime wise, we're actually finding that we're not using it long enough for it to go dead. So we're picking it up for quick jobs, like if you have food or something, you've got crumbs. So look, where we've had breakfast, see, look, there's a crumb there, yeah, right on the floor. And we use this just to pick up quick messes, which we find is really quick than rather getting the big vacuum cleaner out. So far, I've used it for toaster. I've used it in the kitchen. I've used it in the computer room and the office. I've used it in the car. I've just, my son loves this vacuum cleaner. He's always picking it up because it's light and it's easy to use. Suction wise, we haven't had an issue where where it's not able to suck anything up. We've even used it we've even used it to suck up sand, and it's done a really good job on the sand as well, even though the only downside is because of the filter. If it gets really clogged up, you do have to clean the filter. I've had to take the filter out and clean it. So an example is here with the filter. Yeah, you've got a little piece of metal, and you can just get hold of that and give it a really good pull. And there it is. There's the filter. Yeah, that can be washed under the tap if you need to. I tend to brush it, to be honest with you. I haven't washed it under the tap. You can buy replacement ones, but I don't do that. Okay. All right. As you can see, while we've been talking, my son thinks we're going to do another video with a canister. Look, he's got canister vacuum cleaner out. He's got his hands up. Charlie, the filters are in the wash, young man. Washed. They're being washed. Yeah. Washed. So that's another thing as well. With all the vacuum cleaners that I've tested so far, with the Shark vacuum cleaners, all the filters are washable. And it really does make a difference washing the filters. I've done a test with the canister one by there, and that pretty much proves that the canister one, once the filters are cleaned, it's even better. You know, I find, depending on how big your house is, and how messy it is, I do find that get the cleaner out now. I do find that cleaning it once a month, the filters, makes a big difference. Yeah, obviously, I don't know if you noticed, but it's not as tidy as that normally. I tidied his toys up yesterday, but it's not normally as tidy as that. I tidied the toys up, didn't I? Yeah, in your books. Yeah, I know. Still got loads of rubbish around here, thanks to you. I'm just doing a video on YouTube. Yeah, talking to everyone. So I'm going to stop the video now. What's Herbie doing on the floor? What's Herbie doing there? Yeah, all right, we'll come back to that. We're going to let the filters dry. Yeah. So, yeah, any comments or questions about this cordless vacuum cleaner, by all means, get in touch. I'm going to, I've got another video coming out soon, a new one. And I do plan on testing another Shark cordless vacuum cleaner, probably next month now. Yeah. All right, I'll say bye-bye. Do you want to say bye-bye, Charlie? Bye-bye. Like and subscribe, and speak to you soon. All right, bye-bye. Right, look, his car's clean. Let's just check the car. See that? It's all clean now. Yeah. Oh, he's got sand in it. I don't know, but there we go. Okay. All right. Bye then. Say bye, Charlie. Bye. Bye. Yeah.